In today's video, let me show you the way that you can check your Discord message history. Welcome back to a new video, everyone. If you're trying to look at the history of your chat inside of Discord, there are two things that you can do. The normal and straightforward way is to head inside of a particular server and then just start scrolling. If you have a lot of chats, you can just use the search bar on the top. Also, you can use different search operators which you can view on this section. For example, if you want to look for a particular message from a particular user, you can use the from option and then you can enter in the user's name. Apart from this, you can also use other search operators such as has, which means you can search particular messages which has one of these options. So what you do, you'll be able to see all of your results on the inside. You can also sort them out from old, new, and relevant so that all of your messages are being displayed. Now, this is the most straightforward way and the most effective way of searching for any messages that you want. Now, apart from this, there is an option of downloading your data so that you can separately look at all of your messages. And head over to the user settings and then head over to data and privacy. If you scroll down, you'll have the option called requesting your data, where you'll be able to choose the message option, and all of your message data or your messages will be emailed to you by Discord. So these are the two ways you can look at your chat history inside of Discord. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.